fence line to line, crab walks. Spot in the butterfly, reverse crab walks. Spot in the butterfly, one time step cross behind. Alemana, back to butterfly, full chase, lungy turns. Both ladies. Half basic, whip man face center, fence line, through to the serpiente. Funny how that showed up. Fence line, Alemana, to the lariat. New Yorker, whip to butterfly man face wall, fence line, through to the serpiente, fence line to butterfly, half basic, New Yorker, modified chase with underarm turn, guys are going to be facing center, 2 cucarachas, reverse side walks, half basic, New Yorker, modified chase with underarm turn, guys are back to butterfly, 2 cucarachas, to line side walks, full rumba basic, fence line to line crab walks, spot to the butterfly, reverse crab walks, spot to the butterfly, one time step cross behind, Alemana, back to butterfly, full chase lungy turns, both ladies, good, half basic, whip man face center, fence line, through to the serpiente, fence line, Alemana, to the lariat, New Yorker, whip to butterfly man face wall, fence line, through to the serpiente, fence line to butterfly, 2 slow side draw closes, dip twist leg crawl, you know how to do it.